Welcome back. Now, moisture convergence across the Caribbean this evening is helping to generate shower and thunderstorm activity across the Western Caribbean, including the Jamaica area. We're also seeing isolated showers and thunderstorms across Hispaniola and Cuba. We're expecting conditions across the area to continue generating these. We're expecting these isolated thunderstorms to continue because we still have that trough system in the center of the basin, helping to drive that moisture convergence. Scattered clouds are across the Eastern Caribbean. Much of this is mid to upper level clouds. We're not seeing significant shower or thunderstorm activity over the open waters of the basin. The forecast for tonight, things are expected to become generally fair across the island. Temperatures are dropping to 24 degrees Celsius both for Kingston and Montego Bay, with 5-knot winds on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, it's partly cloudy, especially across sections of the east. In the afternoon, more of those isolated showers are likely, especially across sections of central and western parishes. Temperatures reach 32 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now, partly cloudy conditions persist, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions rather for the southeast, but we do have showers and isolated thunderstorms in the forecast for Spanish Town, as well as for Mapen, Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Expect isolated showers and thunderstorms also for Lucy, while it's cloudy to mostly cloudy in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Expect isolated showers and thunderstorms also in Brownstown. We're expecting isolated shower activity for Port Antonio, also for Port Maria, while cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions persist for Grange Hill, Duncans in Trelawney, as well as K Valley, Richmond, and Moortown. More of those isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected at the start of next week. That's Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. For the marine forecast on the north coast, winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, while wave heights are 1.5 to 2 meters. Similar conditions on the south coast, wave heights reaching 1.5 to 2 meters. And for offshore areas, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights 1.5 to 2 meters. We're expecting the sunset tomorrow in Kingston at 6:15, in Mandeville at 6:18, and in Negril at 6:21. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.